This Etna mini claw machine is one of those novelty gifts that performs better on fun value than on serious gaming, and that's fine, because its job is to entertain. It's compact, about 13.5 tall, runs on batteries, and comes with flashing LED lights, arcade-style sound effects, and a handful of plastic coins and small plush prizes to get you started. The machine's joystick control and timed grab mechanics replicate the familiar claw machine experience, so it's a great prop for birthday parties, stocking stuffers, or family game nights. In a video review, show the coin slot, the token drawer, the joystick response, and a live play test. Viewers respond to a few real grabs, wins and fails. It sells the experience. Customer sentiment is broadly positive for novelty and kid-friendly fun. Reviewers often single out the loud, authentic arcade music and the bright lights as big pluses. It looks the part. Practical caveats. Some buyers note that price size is limited. Aim for items ×2 or smaller. The grab strength can feel capricious, as in real arcades, and heavy play can wear the plastic joystick or gears over time. For parents, supervise small children because of small tokens prizes. Overall, if your audience wants a compact, retro, low-cost item for parties or gifts, the Etna claw machine is an entertaining pick. We share by links in description box.